All right, bet. So it's 2015. I'm 27 years old. I get invited to my cousin on my father's side barbecue. So I grab my son. We go out there. We're having a good time. He's 7 at the time. Having a great time. My father's there. Whole bunch of my family is there on my father's side. My oldest sister is there. There are 4 of us, okay? I have an older sister, a brother, a sister right above me, and then me. Me and my oldest sister were 17 years apart. Me and my brother are 14 years apart. And me and my sister right above me were 8 years apart, okay? That is pertinent to the story. So we having a good time. Black people barbecue, hot weather. We having a good time. People dancing, eating, drinking. My father drinking. My father drinking. My father drinking. So I'm outside with my father and my favorite uncle, and we just chilling. We just whatever. We talking. My father, he a little lit. I'm a little lit, but not like lit lit. My father was lit. I'm just nice. My uncle, he was sober. He a cop. We love him. I love him to death. He basically raised me too. So my father, in his drunkenness, decides to tell my 27-year-old self, "Oh, did you know that you're the baby of the side chick?" "The baby of the side chick? What the hell are you talking about?" "Well, I was with your sister's mother when you were born, and I never really told anybody about your mother, so I just brought you around one day, and they were like, 'Whose baby is that?' And yeah, that was basically. Now, I'm sitting there with the screw face, okay? Because I'm 27 years old. Boo-boo, no one's ever told me this. My uncle is looking at me because he can see that I'm about to cry, and my uncle is like, "Oh, I remember when you were a baby and you were so beautiful and you were this and you were that." Child, I was gone. I was like, "What?" So I had to go inside and find my older sister because I knew that if my sister told me this, that it was going to be true if she validated it for me because she's 17 years older than me. She keep it straight with me, whatever. And when I found my sister, she gonna tell me, she goes, "Okay, well, did anybody ever treat you any different?" Me, I was like, no. She's like, "All right then." So yeah, that's the day that I found out that the family tea was me.